Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 179 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posted on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. Him and Jacinta answer the questions. We read all the questions and answers, and we put the cool, the funny, the lies, the myths here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about how do I know where all the stuff on the celebration came from? Carnival Mastercard, do I need a new one? I saw on Facebook that Carnival's not sailing out of Galveston anymore. What door decorations can I bring? And on the Mardi Gras Transatlantic, what is Captain's Night?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser is going on the Carnival Celebration, and they were wondering if there was a list of all the things on the ship that were from past Carnival ships. They know they found a few last time they were on her, but they would like to make a scavenger hunt out of it. John said, if you go to the Jubilee Bar, there is a QR code on the wall which you can scan with your phone, and it will give you a list of everything on the ship and all the details of where they come from other ships. That is freaking cool. We've been on the Celebration, and you know, they got the car, they got some other random stuff plopped around, but I didn't know there was an actual list of everything they brought on from the other ships. So we'll be on the Celebration in February of 2027. So look for an update then. I'll scan the code for you. It's going to be cool though. Great question. Question two. This cruiser has the current Carnival Mastercard, and it was wondering if they would need to get a different card or account for the upcoming rewards program, or will they keep the same card and account, and that will base toward their rewards. John said it will be automatically swapped, and they will send a new card when the issue dates, when the rewards starts. Well, at least we called it a rewards program because it's not a loyalty program. I'll leave it at that. But they will absolutely send you new stuff. Question three. This cruiser said there is some crazy person starting rumors on Facebook that Carnival will not sail out of Galveston after 2028, and they wanted to know if this was true. John doesn't even need to answer this. It's on Facebook. Hello. John said, dear crazy person, you're wrong. Ta-da! Jubilee has a giant star of Texas star on the front. It's staying there probably forever. So yeah, they have no plans of pulling out of Galveston anytime soon. So if you like sailing out of Galveston, you most certainly will continue to be able to do so. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question four. This cruiser recently bought a door decoration that has all their prior cruises listed, including the ship, name, date, and destination, but someone told them that they were now banned by Carnival, and they wanted to know why. John said, not sure who told them that, but they are absolutely not banned. We actually just got off a ship and saw one, and it was cool. It was like, I'm not going to say tapestry, but little itty bitty planks with a little hook connecting each of them. And it was all their ships, not just Carnival, all their ships that they've sailed. So personally, I thought that was great. So yeah, you can absolutely bring those on board with all the little plaques on it to show all the ships you've sailed on. Pretty cool. All right, last question. This cruiser is going on the Mardi Gras Transatlantic in September, and they have seen people allude to the fact that there might be a more fancier, elegant night, something called Captain's Night. They want to know more information about this and what it's all about. John said, yes, this is a throwback to the day in the 90s when they used to do this. There will be complimentary food and drinks served, and it's a very special night. So that sounds cool. You know, something a little throwback. I mean, I wish they'd bring back like hairy chest competition and stuff like that, but Captain's Night, it's out there for the Transatlantic. So that's been episode 179 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.